I've always wanted to be in a field where I'm helping people. I found that social work combines all of my academic interests under one blanket. Hello, my name is Amy. I'm from Adelaide and I'm a first year social work student. I'm currently doing my placement in Catholic Care NT. I wanted to experience something new. I wasn't getting opportunities to showcase my skill set as an emerging social worker, and I felt that the Northern Territory would give me that opportunity.
I think there's so much that a student can get from coming, out of their own comfort area and out of the city into, regional and remote areas. Hi, I'm Steph Holmes. I'm the Executive Officer of Ardent. They've got an opportunity to learn so much from really committed people. Going out and working in an Aboriginal community, you'll get to have many cultural experiences as well as doing the work of improving people's lives.
Rural and remote regions are just crying out for social workers, and the experiences are so diverse. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a social work academic with Flinders University. It gives you that real steep learning curve, and that learning curve can be really good for you to be able to round out your professional development and experience for industry or wherever you want to land later on.
I think the bonus of any place, not just us, anyone in the Northern Territory, anyone in rural Australia, is that you have to see and be exposed to and work within a myriad of things because there's no one else. My name's Jock McGregor. I'm the CEO of Bushmont Aboriginal Corporation in Alice Springs. It's an opportunity to experience work. It's an opportunity to put that to the test. It's going, the stuff that we talk about, the stuff that I say I'm able to do, can I do that when it really matters? You really learn what is and isn't your strength.
What surprised me is how I was given responsibility and autonomy in such a short amount of time. And I feel like in Adelaide, I might not have got that opportunity.
The day in the life of one of our students would be that we buddy them up with one of our staff members. They can engage with the clients. They'll go on our cultural outings. They'll engage in a meaningful way, not just in the classroom. My name is Stephen Versteeg. I'm the CEO of Forward Aboriginal Corporation. One of the students went out to one of our gorges in and around Darwin, and he came back to me. I remember he saying to me, he said, that was just amazing. I went to sit down, have a campfire, talking to your clients. He said, training, education is not four walls. It's out there living where these people are. And he said, that was the most enriching thing for me that I've ever had, because he felt he had such a meaningful opportunity to engage with these clients.
What's also really important is people's values and sort of how they're impacted by what they're observing. Hi, my name is Yana Peterakis. I am a social worker and I work at Catholic Care NT as a lead practitioner for alcohol and drugs and mental health. To see a student completing the placement and being able to say, hey, everything I learned at uni now has meaning. Enough can't be said about what placement brings to laying the foundations for you as a social worker.
Flinders offers a lot of support for students choosing to do placements in rural and remote areas. There's the financial support, and then there's other supports in relation to student accommodation. There's on-the-ground support in NT with your supervisors that would be meeting with you at least every week. You would potentially be getting group supervision as well remotely, and you'd have your agency supervisors as well that would be supporting you in your placement journey. The sense of community is really strong, it's really supportive. Students are also making new friends, meeting new people, going out after work or their placement, absolutely increasing their networks and connecting with the community.
When you are going about your placement, fully immerse yourself into it. So when you're not actually at placement, go out to the community, engage with the people, get in touch with the culture, because you'll find that if you actually go out and do that, your placement experience will be way more constructive and fulfilling for you. And if you do have the opportunity, grab it with two hands and just take full advantage of it.